Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have money while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Well, the secret lies not in the size of their paychecks, but in how they manage their money. Welcome to the world of personal finance, a subject that impacts each and every one of us every day. Personal finance is the art of managing your money, from budgeting to investing. It's about making the most of what you have, planning for the future, and preparing for the unexpected. You see, personal finance isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to make choices, the freedom to take risks, and the freedom to chase your dreams. In this video, we're going to share some essential personal finance tips, from creating a budget and saving money, to investing for the future and managing debt. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial habits, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 financial habits that can secure your future. The first habit that sets financially successful people apart is budgeting. It's the unsung hero in the world of personal finance, a simple yet powerful tool that can turn your financial life around. Think of budgeting as your financial GPS. It guides you, showing where your money is coming from and where it's going. With a clear budget, you can track your income and expenses, making sure that your hard-earned money isn't just slipping through your fingers. It's like having a magnifying glass over your finances, revealing areas where you may be overspending and allowing you to adjust accordingly. And here's the key: budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's not about cutting out all the fun from your life. It's about making informed decisions, about knowing where every dollar goes. It gives you control, it gives you freedom. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting what you spend, it's about understanding where your money goes. The second habit is saving. Now let's dive into the essence of financial security: regular saving. It's the cornerstone of any sound financial plan. But why is it so crucial? Well, the answer is simple. Regular savings can create a safety net for rainy days, help you achieve your financial goals, and provide a sense of peace. The concept of paying yourself first is a golden rule here. It means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you start paying your bills or spending on other things. It's like investing in your future self. And it doesn't have to be a huge amount. Even a small amount saved consistently can snowball into a substantial sum over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So start saving now, no matter how small the amount might be. In the end, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save. The third habit is investing. Now, let's delve into this. You might think of investing as something that only the wealthy do, but that's not the case. Investing is for everyone, and it's a powerful tool to grow wealth over time. You see, when you invest, you're essentially putting your money to work for you. It's like having an army of dollar bills that never sleep, always out there, fighting to earn you more. Think about it. If you stash your money under your mattress, it's not doing anything but gathering dust. But if you invest it, it has the potential to multiply over the years. And the best part? The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's the magic of compound interest. Your earnings earn earnings. So whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or a small business, find something that suits your risk tolerance and start investing. Remember, the key to investing is to start early and stay consistent. The fourth habit is effective debt management. Now, let's be real, debt isn't inherently evil. It's how we manage it that makes all the difference. Think of debt like fire. When controlled, it can cook your food, keep you warm, but let it run wild, it'll burn your house down. So, how do we manage debt effectively? First, avoid bad debt. This is the kind that comes with high interest rates and doesn't contribute to your financial growth. Think credit card debt from impulsive shopping. Next, make a plan to pay off existing debts. Prioritize those with higher interest rates. It's like putting out the biggest fires first. Also, consider consolidating your debts. It can simplify the repayment process and potentially reduce your interest burden. Finally, always pay on time to avoid penalties and protect your credit score. Remember, the less debt you have, the more you can save and invest. So, let's keep those financial fires under control, shall we? The fifth habit is having an emergency fund. Now let's be real, life has a knack for throwing curveballs. One day, everything's smooth sailing, and the next, your car breaks down or you're hit with a medical bill. That's where an emergency fund comes into play. Think of it as your financial safety net. It's money set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses. Without it, these surprises can lead to debt, stress, and financial instability. But with an emergency fund, you're ready, you're prepared, you're resilient. So how much should you save? Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Sure, it might take time to build, but every little bit helps. Remember, it's not about the speed, it's about the consistency. And here's the kicker. Having an emergency fund also gives you peace of mind, allowing you to make better financial decisions. An emergency fund is not just a nice to have, it's a need to have. The sixth habit is conducting regular financial checkups. Much like how you'd schedule a yearly physical to ensure your body is healthy, it's equally important to keep tabs on your financial health. Imagine your finances as a garden. You wouldn't just plant a seed and walk away, hoping it grows into a beautiful tree, would you? No, you'd water it, prune it, and keep an eye out for pesky weeds. Similarly, your financial goals need nurturing and attention. Take a moment every month to review your budget, savings, and investments. Are you on track with your financial goals? Do you need to tweak your budget? Maybe you've noticed an opportunity to invest a little more. Regular checkups allow you to adjust your financial plan as needed, keeping you on the path to financial security. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. So, don't shy away from those regular financial checkups. They're your ticket to a secure future. The seventh habit is continuous learning. In the ever-evolving world of finance, it's vital to stay on top of the latest news, trends, and strategies. This isn't just about reading the Wall Street Journal cover to cover every morning or watching the stock market like a hawk. It's about being curious, staying informed, and constantly expanding your financial knowledge. You know how they say, knowledge is power? Well, when it comes to your money, this couldn't be more accurate. Understanding financial concepts, mastering budgeting techniques, and being aware of emerging investment opportunities can open doors to prosperity you never even knew existed. Think about it. The more you learn, the better you can navigate the financial seas, steer clear of potential pitfalls, and sail towards a secure future. So make it a point to educate yourself regularly. Read financial articles, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, or even take a course. Remember, financial knowledge is financial power. The eighth habit is having adequate insurance. Insurance, my friends, is like the unsung hero of personal finance. It's there, silently protecting us from financial risks that could potentially throw us off our well-planned financial journey. It's the safety net that catches us when life throws us curveballs. Think about it, life is unpredictable. You might be healthy today, but what if tomorrow you're not? What if your car gets totaled or your house gets damaged in a storm? These are not just hypothetical situations, but real-life risks that can happen to anyone, anytime. And when they do, they bring along heavy financial burdens. Insurance is your shield against these unforeseen calamities. Health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, life insurance, they all serve a singular purpose. They safeguard your finances when you need it the most. They provide you with the means to bounce back without draining your life savings. So remember, insurance is not for the things you can afford, it's for the things you can't. The ninth habit is retirement planning. It's like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago, the next best time is today. Why so? Because the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about the amount you start with, it's about giving that amount the time to multiply. Think of it like this, let's say you're on a road trip. Retirement is that dream destination at the end of the journey. Without a map or GPS, it's going to be quite a challenge to get there. Retirement planning is your financial GPS. It gives you the direction you need to reach your financial goals post-retirement. Whether it's through a 401k, an IRA, or just a simple savings account, there are countless ways to start laying the groundwork for your future. It's about taking that first step and then consistently moving forward. Remember, the best time to start planning for retirement was yesterday. The next best time is now. The 10th habit is patience. It's often overlooked, yet it's one of the most critical habits in personal finance. Why? Because wealth building, folks, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time. You won't see a tree grow overnight, right? The same goes for your finances. It's a process that requires consistent effort and, yes, patience. It's all about playing the long game. You invest, you save, you budget, but it's patience that ties all these habits together. Let's not forget, the financial world is filled with noise. There's always a new get-rich-quick scheme or a too-good-to-be-true investment popping up. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. So don't let impatience derail your financial journey. Stay the course. Keep your eye on the prize. Because in the end, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth that lasts. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a requirement for financial success. So, there you have it. 10 financial habits for a secure future. We've walked through the journey of setting and maintaining a budget and the importance of saving. We've considered the power of investing and how debt management is crucial in keeping your finances in check. We've highlighted the necessity of an emergency fund and the value of regular financial checkups. We've also acknowledged the importance of continuous learning in finance and how insurance can serve as a safety net. We've discussed the significance of planning for retirement and finally, the virtue of patience in all financial matters. These habits aren't just about counting pennies. They're about understanding your financial landscape, making informed decisions, and taking control of your money. They're about laying the foundation for a secure financial future. Remember, financial success comes not from making more, but from managing what you have better. Start implementing these habits today and secure your financial future.